welcome back to my channel where we have a very, once again, different kind of video for you all. Today, at the request of one of my Patreons, Colin, I'm building this. I have recently gone on a Star Wars binge, as you can probably tell from the fact that I am, these guys came along in a previous video. But yes, I have wanted a set with the little clone boys because I love the clones for ages, and I saw this today, and I've had a request to build something like this before, so I figured come with me and we will build or see how it looks like and what we do. So let's get this open. Stickers. I'm gonna suck at picking them up. Okay, here is the book. It is a big, thick book. So there's going to be a montage of me building this, because otherwise we will be here a while, and every now and again I will interject with saying something. So let's me grab a pair of scissors, and we're gonna get started. Cloney boy number one. Oh, he doesn't want to stand up. Yeah, you're gonna have to deal with being near a reg crosshair. Also, for anyone asking about this is a giant cat scratch that goes from here to here because Growler got a bit clawy. Not in a bad way, he's a cat. I was about to get really upset because there's supposed to be 3 clone troopers and I've only got 2, and then I looked over in this bag and saw the helmet. That's it, kids, learn to read those instructions. Put his feet on the wrong way around. I have a set of arms, an extra set of arms. I'm confused. Okay, we're gonna put this to one side. And start with that bit. And this bit. Okay, this is going to be a lot longer than I thought it was. It was right there. bike. All done. But it does have a cute shooting little effect here, but I'm not going to do it because the cats are around and they will probably eat it. But that's a lot bigger than I thought it was, and I'm still absolutely in love with the tiny clone troopers. Yeah, this is adorable. Next, whoops, it's Chicken Wing! hiding, by the way. In case you didn't notice. And you read the instructions and still get it wrong. Right, okay. Okay guys, and with that, this is what you get in the set. You get 4 little clone troopers. Sorry, 3 clone troopers and 1 jetpack trooper from the 501st, including the helmets coming off, which is kind of cute. You get 2 little battle droids, a bunch of extra bits and pieces that I'm no doubt will become a choking hazard at some point, or I've done something wrong here, which is probably that. You get the speeder bike. I really like this. Also, these bits are really cool. I'm not going to fire them because I have 2 cats that are currently watching me, but if you press these bits here, it will fire the little these bits here, sorry, it will fire stuff at people. Not advised, obviously, because it can cause damage, but you know, if you're having fun with your mates. I really like that there's so many moving parts on this, actually. And then you get the affectionately named in my Star Wars Battlefront 2 squad, Chicken Wing. I can't even remember what this is actually called because I'm so used to, I find it really hard to learn new names. except for when they're really simple things like Hunter and Crosshair. LATT? No, it's not an LATT. I can't remember. But basically, it's the smaller version of the two-legged walker. We affectionately call the larger one chicken leg, and this is chicken wing, the smaller one for the individual. And again, I really like this. I like the fact that you can actually move the legs. They've kind of done some work to allow you to move it around a bit. My poor dude is like, what are you doing? But it's just the legs that really move, so you gotta be careful. But I think that's pretty cool. Again, it's got one of those little fiery bits, so you can fire. These bits move, so you can kind of have some shielding. And a little clone trooper at the top with the exhausts. I really, really like this. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put that there because I think that'd be cool. There we go. That's what Lego is. You find fun ways to do things with it. So that is the newest Lego collection. Once again, I want to say thank you to my Patreon Colin, who requested this as the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, if you did enjoy this, please do like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time when we're doing a gaming video. So take care everybody, have fun, and I'll see you next time.